How to archive WhatsApp chats. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to archive WhatsApp chats. Before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do to archive a WhatsApp chat is of course open up the WhatsApp app on your mobile device, and then you need to long press on the chat that you would like to archive. And then after you've done that, it brings up the menu options at the top. So you need to tap on the one that's got the down arrow. So it's the one next to the three little dots. If you tap on that option, and as you can see, that chat has now been archived. So it hasn't actually deleted the chat, but it's archived it. So if I really wanted to go back in and see this chat again, I can go back in. And it says archived chats will stay archived. To reduce interruptions, archived chats will stay here with notifications turned off. To change this experience, tap on settings. So you just need to tap on the settings if you want to change that option. And then if you want to unarchive a chat, say you archived one by accident, so you just long press on it again, and then you can tap on the up arrow in the top right hand corner, and that's just unarchived that chat. And that's what it takes to archive WhatsApp chats. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.